Let me love you with my heels on, yeah. You ever hear that song there?
Like my ding dong.
Sister, what's your name?
Lady Saw.
Lady Saw.
Yes. I know, I quite like the song. Andrea thinks she looks like a drag queen.
Oh dear. I thought time I ran into her in Toronto.
Huh?
I ran into her in the Eden Center.
Uh-huh.
Lady Saw with her friend, girlfriend.
What did you say?
I said, Lady Saw! And she looked at me and she laughed and she walked away with her girlfriend.
She's a nice man.
That's what I picked up. But there was almost an awkwardness.
Yes.
Because she wasn't looking like a lady, but I saw the face and I went, Lady Saw! And then she kind of she smiled and she turned and her girl walked away. She was going a kind of incognito kind of thing. Wow, this is serious rain, baby.